This is a 1954 Kaiser Darrin. I videoed other Kaiser Darrins before, and this one I thought was time to show another one because kind of an endangered species. There weren't many of these made, as you'll see what the production figures were. This has a 6-cylinder Willys engine, an F-head, which is unusual in that the exhaust valve is still in the block and the intake valve is above the engine under that valve cover. Unusual grille, needless to say. The whole car is based on Henry J chassis with this fiberglass body, and this will tell you that Glassbar built the body, and it actually predated Corvette by just a little. But unfortunately for Darrin, it just didn't sell well. Because it was, number one, it was expensive, and number two is it was competing against the Corvette. This one's in excellent condition, beautiful. And you can see another feature of it was the sliding door. The door slid into the cowl and front fender area. The drawback to that is there's a pretty narrow opening to get into the car, but it's good in tight parking places. Here you see the gauges and speedometer, and it looks like we have a tach also there. Handbrake is down below and manual transmission, and that horn button is the same as we had in our Henry J. So very nice appointments inside here. This top is unusual in that it has a midway position, which is where it is now. It gives some shade there, and also folds down completely and can be put up to the front top of the windshield. Notice the wire wheels, very nice. It has a real trunk, like the Corvette did, and the taillights are borrowed from the full-sized Kaiser Manhattan. And there you see the Kaiser Darrin signature there in the back. Very nice.